Yo, Kim in the house, gonna spit some beef, gonna lay chat. Oh, what's good? It's Dollface, and today is obviously welcome back. But today's video is gonna be a hair tutorial on how I achieved this, how to install. So all that information, just keep watching and you're gonna see. So yeah, let's get it. Like, it's trying to you want to square up, like. Anyways, let's get into this video. As you guys can see, this is how I have my hair. I have it in just like really random big cornrows all over my head, and then I pin them with the bobby pins. Then I have my leave out at the sides here, and then here. Make sure there's leave out. You don't have to have leave out. You can do it however you want. On the back, it shows some methods and it shows you how to, so it's pretty good. Like $30 is not bad. I'm gonna install it right now. So basically, I'm gonna go from the longest length to the shortest length. Longest length in the back, shorter length in towards the front, because I want that nice little layered effect. I'm so excited. When I went on 125th in Harlem, and I was like, damn, I hope they have the clip-ins, because the ones by me didn't have it. So I'm like, damn, I hope they have it, And I went, I was like, let me just go and they got the nice little color, like, so this is what it looks like. This is the texture, really nice, it's kind of hard.
Smell it. That smell. The kind of smelly smell. The smelly smell that smells smelly.
You know what this reminded me of? Like, you know how braiding hair is made of horsehair? For anyone who doesn't know about that. I hope this ain't no horsehair, like. I cannot wait to see how this color looks on my skin. Like, you already know this melanin about to be popping. So these are the 3-inch wefts. This is what I'm gonna put in the front, so that goes back. Then we're gonna have the 5-inch wefts. The weft is just one 5-inch, right? 7-inch, okay, getting longer. Right, then we got the 8-inch, and then we got the 10-inch, and then we got the 12-inch. So I'm gonna